What is borderline personality disorder, BPD? Borderline personality disorder, or BPD, is a mental health condition that messes with how someone thinks about themselves and relates to others. People with BPD often have really intense emotions, a hard time controlling them, and a fear of being left or abandoned, even when there's no real threat of that happening. It's like everything feels bigger. Love, anger, sadness, anxiety. It can all hit hard and fast. That emotional intensity can make everyday situations feel overwhelming, especially in relationships. Common signs of BPD. Here are some things people with BPD often experience. Fear of being abandoned. Even something small like someone being late or not texting back can feel like a huge rejection. Hot and cold relationships. 1 minute they might think someone is amazing, and the next, they're convinced that person doesn't care or is out to hurt them, not knowing who they really are. Their sense of self can shift a lot. One day they feel confident, the next they feel worthless. Acting on impulse, they might spend too much money, drive recklessly, use drugs, or make risky choices without thinking them through. Extreme mood swings, going from super happy to devastated or angry really quickly. Feeling empty, like there's a void inside they can't fill. Struggling with anger, getting mad really easily or having trouble calming down. Zoning out or feeling paranoid under stress. Feeling disconnected from reality or super suspicious of others when stressed. How BPD can affect relationships. Relationships can be tough when BPD is in the mix, not because the person doesn't care, but because they care a lot and emotions feel really intense. Here's what that might look like. 1. Scared of being left. Even little things, like a partner needing space, can feel like abandonment. That fear can lead to clingy behavior, overthinking, or big emotional reactions. 2. Love you and hate you. They might start off putting someone on a pedestal, thinking they're perfect. But the moment that person disappoints them, even slightly, it can flip to anger or hurt. It's not manipulation, it's emotional whiplash that even they may not understand. 3. Big emotions, fast. They feel things hard. A small disagreement might feel like the end of the world. This can be overwhelming for both them and their partner. 4. Risky behavior. Sometimes they act out, cheating, partying too hard, picking fights, without thinking about the consequences. 5. Trust issues. They may struggle with trusting others. This can lead to jealousy, constant worry, or testing the relationship to see if you really care. 6. Miscommunication. They might take things the wrong way or feel hurt by something that wasn't meant to be hurtful, which can lead to lots of misunderstandings. What it feels like for the other person. Dating or being close to someone with BPD can feel like a roller coaster, amazing highs and exhausting lows. Their partner or friend might feel like they're always trying to avoid upsetting them, or that they never know what to expect. It can be really draining if there aren't healthy boundaries or support. Can relationships work? Absolutely, but they take effort from both sides. Therapy helps a lot, especially something called dialectical behavior therapy, DBT, which teaches skills for managing emotions and improving relationships. Good communication is key. It helps when both people are honest and patient. Boundaries matter. It's okay to say what you need and what's not okay. Support systems like therapy, friends, or support groups can make a big difference.